Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mega Man Zero. To begin, familiarize yourself with Zero's core movements. Dashing allows for quick evasion, while wall jumping helps navigate vertical areas. The Z-Saber is your primary melee weapon, perfect for swift combos. For enemies at a distance, the Buster Shot provides effective ranged attacks. Remember to charge both weapons for powerful, enhanced strikes, crucial for overcoming tougher adversaries and bosses. Mastering combat involves more than just basic attacks. Focus on earning EX skills by achieving high ranks, specifically O or S, when defeating bosses. These skills grant Zero powerful new abilities, often with elemental properties. Integrating EX skills into your Z-Saber and Buster Shot repertoire is key. For example, using a fire-based EX skill on an ice enemy can deal significantly more damage, turning the tide of battle in your favor. Beyond your core weapons, strategic use of upgrades and Cyber Elves is vital. Continuously use your Z-Saber, Buster Shot, and Shield Boomerang to level them up, increasing their effectiveness. Cyber Elves offer invaluable support, providing temporary health recovery, stat boosts, or even enemy manipulation. Remember, each Cyber Elf can only be used once, so deploy them strategically during challenging boss fights or difficult sections to maximize their impact. To truly excel, focus on mission strategy and the ranking system. Your performance is judged on factors like completion time, damage taken, and Cyber Elf usage. Aim for minimal damage and swift mission completion to secure those coveted O or S ranks. Exploring each stage thoroughly can reveal hidden items and upgrades, further enhancing Zero's capabilities. Don't hesitate to replay missions. It's an excellent way to refine your skills and achieve perfect scores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.